balance in the ecosystem. Understanding these adaptive mechanisms and interactions between plants and animals is crucial for the conservation and management of ecosystems. It allows us to recognize the intricate web of relationships and dependencies that sustain biodiversity and ecosystem functioning. By protecting and preserving plant species and their habitats, we can ensure the survival of associated animal species and maintain the overall health and balance of ecosystems. Conservation efforts should focus on preserving habitats, protecting endangered plant species, and promoting sustainable land management practices. It is also essential to raise awareness about the importance of plant-animal interactions and the role they play in ecosystem stability and resilience. By fostering an appreciation for the interconnectedness of plants and animals, we can encourage a more holistic approach to conservation and sustainable living. Additionally, the interactions between plants and animals can have cascading effects on other ecological processes. For example, the presence of certain animal species can influence soil fertility through their feeding activities and nutrient cycling. In turn, nutrient availability in the soil can affect plant growth and community composition. These complex feedback loops highlight the interconnectedness of species within an ecosystem and emphasize the importance of studying and conserving plant-animal interactions. Moreover, the loss of key plant species or disruptions in animal-plant interactions can have detrimental effects on ecosystem stability. For instance, the decline of pollinator populations can lead to decreased plant reproduction and reduced availability of fruits and seeds, impacting the food sources for other animals. Changes in plant communities can also affect the physical structure of habitats, altering microclimates and resource availability for other organisms. Conservation efforts should prioritize the protection of biodiversity hotspots, which often harbor unique and specialized plant-animal interactions. It is crucial to identify and conserve critical plant species that serve as keystone resources for various animal species. This may involve creating protected areas, implementing sustainable land management practices, and promoting habitat restoration initiatives. Additionally, promoting public awareness and education about the importance of plant-animal interactions can foster a sense of stewardship and encourage individuals to contribute to conservation efforts. Citizen science initiatives can engage people in monitoring and documenting plant-animal interactions, providing valuable data for scientific research and conservation planning. Furthermore, the understanding of plant-animal interactions can also have practical implications for various fields, including agriculture, forestry, and conservation. By studying the relationships between plants and beneficial animals, such as pollinators and pest predators, we can develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural practices. For example, implementing pollinator-friendly strategies, such as planting flowering cover crops or providing nesting sites for bees, can enhance crop pollination and increase yields. In forestry, understanding the interactions between plants and herbivores can help manage forest ecosystems more effectively. By identifying key plant species that support diverse animal communities, we can prioritize their conservation and ensure the long-term health and resilience of forest ecosystems. Similarly, studying the relationships between plants and seed dispersers can inform reforestation and habitat restoration efforts, ensuring the successful establishment of plant species. Conservation efforts can greatly benefit from understanding plant-animal interactions. By identifying and protecting critical habitats and key plant species, we can safeguard not only the plants themselves but also the entire ecological networks that depend on them. This includes endangered species that rely on specific plants for food, shelter, or reproduction.